The thing that I hadn't really understood is when you fly over a glacier and you see these structures on the glacier, it's like a flowing river but in ultra slow motion, the way these things flow. So there are rapids and still areas in the glacier. So you see these structures which are essentially frozen. And then of course you look at the images of Pluto from New Horizons and you see that. You see the same behavior, but it's extremely cold on Pluto. It's very cold. But the key point is that the nitrogen glaciers on Pluto flow in a very similar way to the way that water ice glaciers flow on Earth. And the reason is that the nitrogen in that regime of temperature and pressure is relatively close to its melting point underneath the glacier, which is the same. That's a lot of the dynamics on Earth are driven by that closeness to the freezing point of the water on Earth and the nitrogen on Pluto. So they behave in the same way. So it was so wonderful to see a landscape on Earth that is such a good analogue for a landscape on Pluto, even though the building blocks are different.